Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings for Realme GT Neo 3 series. So in order to do this, we'll need to find our settings, and there should be some around here. It's this icon. Now let's locate connection and sharing. From here, find personal hotspot and click on it. Also, you can enable it right here if you want, but we'll want to change the settings, so let's just click on the name itself. Here also you can enable the setting, and that way you'll reveal the QR code, and here you'll be able to connect other devices to this mobile hotspot by scanning this QR code. Also, there should be password visible. Now let's disable it for now and move to the hotspot settings. Here we can choose the name for this mobile hotspot, so let's call it hard reset hotspot. Next is to choose a certificate for security, and I would recommend using VPA2 by VPA3. Next is a password, so here you can set up the password to protect anyone that doesn't know this password from entering your mobile hotspot. So let's add something simple, 1234. We can check if it works. It doesn't, because the password needs at least 8 digits. So let's type in 8-digit password like this. Click OK. Now it should work. Now next app we have AP band, and here you can choose the speed basically and reach of your mobile hotspot. If you choose 2.4, your reach will increase, but the speed will decrease significantly. Next is 5G, and that way you'll decrease the range but increase the speed also significantly. Here is visible to other devices. If you disable it, nobody will be able to see it. If you enable it, everybody will be able to see it. That's simple. Here's a Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, and if you enable it, some older devices might have problem connecting to this mobile hotspot, but the speed should increase also. So if you're sure that other devices that you intend to connect with this mobile hotspot have this option as well, make sure to enable it, because there's no point to not. Okay, so let's actually change the name as well. Save that. So here we have it. Next setting is connection management, and if we enter it, we'll be able to see everything about devices that are connected to this mobile hotspot, and we can see the block list. So if you have any device added to this block list, you'll be able to remove it from this block list as well. Next is maximum allowed connections, and here you'll be able to choose how many devices are able to connect at one time to this mobile hotspot, and for this example I'll be using 2. Next is data restriction, and here you can restrict on how much data can one device use before the hotspot will turn off. So let's actually go for unrestricted. Last option is automatically turn off personal hotspot when there is no device connected for 10 minutes. And that sets for itself simply, if no device is connected to this mobile hotspot for 10 minutes, it should turn off automatically. So actually I would recommend leaving that on if you're not using if you're not sharing your internet for like 24 hours per per 8, then there's no point at leaving it disabled. So right now let's enable our personal hotspot, so it's visible on other devices. Now I'm gonna bring up my phone and try connecting it to this mobile hotspot. So here's my device, and And now let's refresh some networks, and here we can find our hotspot. Let's click on it, click OK. Now we'll need to enter the password. And we're just connected to this mobile hotspot. We should be able to access its data. Now next, let's actually see connection management, because then there will be my device showing up right here. We can also click on it to disconnect and block it. That way it will move to the block list like this. Click on it again or hold it, then click remove, and it will be able to connect again. And the last thing I'm gonna show you is to enable your mobile hotspot by simply scrolling down your notification bar. Scroll down again, and if you have this shortcut right here, there should be somewhere right here the hotspot, personal hotspot. It's right here. You can also enable it or access the settings quickly by holding your finger onto that icon. And if you don't have it, you can simply click on this pen button and just manage this and add personal hotspot icon right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.